Welcome to my project room. It's considered my green room. Botanical, very pretty room that I love so much. This is the fairy castle that I cannot wait to redesign. I want to paint it the color of stone, and then I want to put some moss on it in certain areas and just really make it look enchanting. As you can see, I've got a lot of cute little pieces that I've added that will be a part of the castle once it's completed. Harley loves to come in this room with me and get his cuddles. One of my favorite things about this room is all of the plants that I have in here. And they just make me happy, and I think that they just make this room come to life. And also, the birdies like them too. Still adding to my wall. And there's Tovey and Lipton.